Okay. So hi everyone, good morning and once again welcome back in today's class. Today we're on the day number 12 of our class and we were discussing about the SLA. So we saw that what is SLA definition, start condition, stop condition, pause conditions we have done. Now what is the last topic in SLA we have to be discussed is called retroactive. Okay. To understand this concept, what ServiceNow says or what basically example we can quote here. Let's say an incident has been raised on incident is P3 and raised at 7 a.m. ठीक है जी, great. P3 SLA is for let's say 3 hours. Okay. Now after 2 hours, someone says no, this incident need to be prioritized now. And so it means SLA breaches 10 a.m. Okay, I'm just talking about 24/7 wala sheet slot so that it is easy to be calculated. Now someone said no, this incident need to be deprioritized and should be P1 now. Okay. Upgrade done to P1 at 8:30 a.m. P1 SLA is 1 hour. Now what is the breach time for P1? Is it 9:30 a.m.? Is it 10 a.m.? Or is it 8 a.m.? What is the breach time for P1? Tell me.
9:30 a.m.
Who says 9:30 a.m.?
Sir Vikram.
Vikram. Okay. Anybody else who is supporting Vikram? Say yes or no at least.
It will
It
be
will
8.
be
Eight.
who is 8?
Pratap.
Pratap. Okay. Anybody else?
Me also.
Bhavna. Bhavna, what do you think? Sorry, who
I
is
think
saying? Oh, good, good.
9:30 is
9:30. Okay. Anybody else?
8 a.m.
8. Who is 8?
Ramana.
Sorry?
Ramana.
Ramana. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? 9:30. Who? Ira. Okay. Anybody
8
else?
a.m.
It's Priya, right?
Bhavya.
Abhya. Chala. आगे और
Priya's 8 a.m. too.
it's Priya, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? The people who are seeing it's 9:30, can you justify why?
Yes, sir. Because before 8:30, we treated that case as P3 only. So at 8:30 only we upgraded as a P1. So it should be SLA should be start from 8:30 for P1.
Good. And the people who are saying it's a 8 a.m.
So
Why?
we are calculating bridge time, right? So bridge time is 1 hour because it's reported at 7, and then at 8:30 we upgrade that. So
But
for
it's
this,
it's sorry, it's
hmm,
created at 7, but it's upgraded at 8:30.
we need a bridge time, right? We need bridge time.
So why when you created an incident and when you upgraded it,
Hmm.
bridge time तो सबसे calculate होगा ना? It will calculate from that time only. So logically, this answer is right.
Hmm.
Correct?
Hmm.
Pratap.
Right.
Okay. Technically, there's a no answer is right at point of time until unless we know when SLA when SLA has been configured, what condition we agreed. Now the question come, why this concept come in the picture? Pratap is running a company. Okay. And he gave a business to or the support to Bhavya's company. ठीक है? So now the Bhavya's company, the agent got an incident and they mark it as a P3. ठीक? But after some time, it is getting issue for many users and then they raise it as a P1. Now Pratap says to Bhavya's company, what is my mistake? If this incident was potential P1, then why not your agent make it as a P2 in the earlier stage only? Why they make it as a P3 in the beginning? So Pratap says it's not my fault. It's your fault, Bhavya, or it's your employee's fault. ठीक है? So in these cases, the concept called retroactive come in the picture. In the SLA definition, we tell to the system that in case the priority is increased or decreased, then from where I have to be calculate the SLA. So if we go back here in our system, and here if you see on the P1, resolution, P1 resolution, and if you see this retroactive has been true and it set start to the credit. So if this SLA need to apply, then we can see set the start to actual end, actual start, created due date, expected start, last reopened, open, resolved, proposed, promoted, which particular field you want to be captured to be started again. And it is totally the business decision. It is totally business decision that they will tell you as a consultant that from where the incident need to be, the SLA need to be start if it's getting breached. Now let's do the practical. So what we will do, we'll use this example only. Okay. And we define, instead of 1 hour, we define 30 minutes. So that we can see. Okay. And we'll take P3 SLA as well. Or let's say duration is 15 minutes. Let's take it more down. Go back. And now let's take P2 and make it as a 24/7 and make it as a 25 minutes. So that we can just test it everything together. Okay. Chalo. Now let's go and raise an incident. Caller is test LNG and P2. Okay, so that we can see how my SLA is getting attached. Test retro and save. And now our SLA get attached. See, my SLA is this one, which where I am worried. Okay, rest you all people credit, that's fine. Now let's open this in the other window to see a little bit more. This is what I'm looking for. So let me see. Let's do one thing. This one. In progress, 24 minutes left. That's fine. Start time is 5:14. Fine. Okay, breach time is 5:39. Good. Period on this particular time. Has breach is false because it's still not breach. And now what I will do, I'll add one more thing here. Let's say this incident start working and I am making this incident in the on hold. So what is the condition for on hold? Let's see. Criteria 2 and on hold is this one. On hold awaiting caller or result. ठीक है चलो. On hold awaiting caller and save it. Now we are intentionally keeping this incident on hold so that we can see that what will happen now. ठीक. With this concept, means with a retroactive start, and there's a concept called the retroactive pause. Means if you're starting the SLA from the start, if incident priority is deprioritized, upgraded or the downgraded, could you please consider the retroactive pause as well? Means which time is already pause should be added into the next SLA as well to be considered as a completely. So mainly now what we are going to be tested. So this is on hold, totally fine. Let me go and refresh it. Pause, 22 minutes say, 2 minutes we have taken. Start time this, stop time still going on. Elapsed time is this, and all things will be there. After this topic, when this SLA will be over, because we have to do little discussion to consider this on hold time as well. Okay, before that, anybody has any doubt question in yesterday's class? I saw that few of you have done the exercise, but not everybody. Anybody has doubt question, clarification?
Sir, I created only one SLA, but the I was confused like how I can put what option I can put for make it pause.
So anything which see, either technically or practically, if I say a ticket can be put into the pause or incident record can be put in the pause if state is awaiting caller, sorry, on hold. But it is totally depend on you. For the practice purpose, you can put any condition on hold. Might be category there. If category is this, then on hold, or category is that, then on hold, or short should contain that, then on hold. So up to you that it's a practice sessions only. So up to you that what you want to be do. Okay, so don't think that what condition I should put. Just go and give a try so that you can easily see this particular part. Okay, Naga, go ahead, please.
Sir, custom table SLA will be work.
What custom table?
Suppose I created one application. In that application, I created one module. In that modules, I added some fields. And based on that application, I want to work my SLA. It is okay, sir, or not?
See, okay, yes.
How it is,
If
sir?
it
Could you please?
if it is extended from the task table. So simple thing, Naga, that when you're getting the SLA, so let's
Yes,
see if I
sir.
get on the SLA this thing. Here you should put your table name.
Yes, sir. Sir, conditions, how do you please check it, sir, in the table? Could you please
See,
repeat
no,
once?
no. Condition for what?
You will go to that SLA, sir. New. You will go with it, you take one SLA. Previous one, anyone.
Okay, let me take this one. Okay,
These
SLA
conditions are
definition.
active is true. What
Wait,
is that, sir?
okay.
You
Now
please.
tell me one thing. Wait. Tell me one thing. Let me click here, and table is u underscore. See, these tables are coming. U underscore. Okay. Again, the conditions. I'm not sure that why you're getting confused. These condition is not added by me. These condition given by the business.
Okay, sir.
That's what I'm. So if I say tomorrow you want to be renovate your house,
Yes, sir.
okay, then who will give the requirement to the painter? It's you or the painter.
Could you please that repeat once, sir?
So if tomorrow you want to be do a renovation in your house,
Yes,
who
sir.
will give the requirement to the painter?
Painter will give requirement, sir.
From where he will get the requirement?
Sir. Painter will get requirement according to what according to client.
Yes, and you are the client for that painter, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you will give the requirement.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
then
give
you.
requirement based on the requirement only they will capture.
Yes. Yes. So this is the same thing applicable here. When I say that requirement should be come from the business, it means
Okay.
it is the client who need to be give the requirement. You and me are just a facilitator to add this, to approve this, to build this.
Okay. Like
Okay.
the state is true. How we will execute that in that? If you create it now, sir, incident is a prior, state is new, active
See,
is true. Again,
if I say, let's say I come to your house and say, hey, Naga, I want to be eat dosa. But if you say, Atul sir, I don't have a dosa batter, so we cannot make it a dosa. What this means that if in your table that field exists, only then you can make a SLA on that field.
yes, sir.
So it
Yes.
is all about the configuration and the requirement that what you're building it
Okay. Okay.
and what field it contains.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Understand, sir. So could you please give some conditions, sir? I
And
understand
see,
easily.
no, again, why should I give condition? It is your table, it is your SLA. You have to be defined, right? How I should know that what field you have in your table?
Okay, sir.
Might
Incident
be
table
might be
we have to mean incident table. Could you please try, sir? A little bit
it's
confusion.
it is already there. Did you verify everything? So if you go back and see, these all are the incident table. Open any one and just check the conditions. See, these all are the incident table only. So go and read it. This is what I gave the homework yesterday.
I already
Okay,
do the homework is completed, sir, but a little bit doubt on that.
it means you just did the homework. You don't understand that how this configuration has been done.
Okay, okay.
So read it again, and then you will understand.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good.
Okay.
Now let's come back here on this incident. And now I am
Sir,
removing this
previous
con.
doubt, I have one doubt, sir. Previous one. How
Hmm.
to apply that classic means if they will give true means classic will be off now, sir, for unique IDs.
Yes, it will be true, right?
But I can given four users, sir. In the four users, I will give you two false, which is there. I will given in the true place. I will give false, but it will not work in the collisions classic, sir. That one.
Okay, we'll pick up it in Naga later.
Ah,
Let's
okay, sir.
complete this
Okay, sir.
topic. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No
Okay.
problem. Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now I am moving this incident in progress and save it. Tick. Come back here and refresh this. It is started. Business time 22 minutes, elapsed 2 minutes. And now you can see duration was 8 minutes. Pause duration. So breach has been increased to 47. Earlier breach was 39. Now what I will do, I am going to be raise this incident as a P1. And save it. If you come back here and refresh, see number one, this priority SLA has been cancelled because this is what the condition has been given. Start. When to cancel when start condition does not match, then cancel it. So this has been cancelled. That is good. And a new SLA has been raised for the P1. And it says time left 12 minutes. Business align left, sorry, done 2 minutes. And when this get created, see iska breach time. Breach time is 29. 3 minutes from now. Why? Because this incident was created at 20 when this SLA was get created. See here, let's do one thing. Actual created by हटा दे दे रहा हूँ. ठीक है, now it's little easy. देखो कब हुआ था 14 पे. Why 14? Because in our P1 SLA ये था, we say start the retroactive from the date of creation, time of creation. So SLA was get created at the 14 or 14. And what is the breach SLA duration? Is 15 minutes. Matlab totally it will be getting breached at 29. This is what it says. देखो ये रहा. But what is the actual breach? Is 37. Why? Because we have ticked this box. Retroactive pause as well. That add the pause time as well in this system, in this calculation. If I remove this and save, and now if I go back here and tick this and repair my SLA, देखो, breach is 29 now. Why? Because see, both time is same. Why? Because I remove the option to use the pause time as well. Now, if I even remove this and save, and now I go back and repair it. Now, if you see, देखो, start time is 25. Why 25? Because I'm not considering retroactive start. I'm considering anytime when this incident get updated. From there, it should start the SLA clock. So it means the question which I ask, technically both answers are correct. Until unless you put this condition in the system.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Can you repeat the last condition when you
Okay.
remove the last one?
So if we remove the last condition, that is retroactive start, did you notice the SLA start time is 25 now? Earlier it was 14, right? And it adds 25, so 15 minutes has been added. So breach time is 50, 40. See, even though it is not taking the SLA pause as well now, retroactive pause as well, because there's no condition for the same. So if I go back here and again tick this box, create and save, come back here, and now repair. And now note, you see no changes. See, it is 14. ठीक है, clear हुआ विक्रम?
Yes, sir. But now I have a question. This 514 is when we created that P2 as a P2, right?
Yes, yes.
And when we are removing this retroactive option, in that situation, it is taking 522.
525.
525. So
When, because it's taking 525, that is the time when incident get upgrade it to the next priority.
Okay, so in that condition, like if we are not activating the retroactive, and earlier it was P2 and then we upgraded as a P1. So in that condition, like both the SLA will run parallelly.
ना ना देखो ना, एक कैंसिल हो गया. The previous one will cancelled.
As soon as we change it to P1, it will automatically cancel.
Yes,
Okay.
because in this we have a condition P2 में. If you see and open this priority one, देखो, it says if start condition does not match then cancel it. Start तो मैच ही नहीं किया, हमने P1 कर दिया तो start condition मैच नहीं हुआ, so it cancel it. Simple सी बात है. Clear everybody? This retroactive fundamental. प्रिया, भावना, अकबर, अब्दुल, भव्या, श्रीराम, उज्जवल, रमना, मनीष, गौरव. Good. So now what you have to do, you can do your testing, create. So who can take today's homework? Gaurav, take today's homework then. Okay. So create SLA again, or might be the SLA which you created yesterday. Add the retroactive conditions and then test it. So now if I say this is a P1, right? Now if I downgrade this P1 to P2, and if in that P2 I remove this option, okay, now let's come back and make it as a P2. And let's go and refresh it. देखो P2 का एक नया सेल ऐड हो जाएगा. Yeah. P2 कैंसिल है तो फिर P2 ऐड क्यों नहीं हो रहा? In progress, medium, high. So P2 says so. हाँ तो true and high. अच्छा, true and high. It should not be in progress. It should be like, let's say new. क्योंकि इन प्रोग्रेस में जाने के लिए इसको असाइनमेंट ग्रुप चाहिए. Save. And now let's revise it. Now you can see another P2 has been added. ये देखो नया. But now the start time is 5:35. अतुल ये तो गलत बात है. Earlier it was 5:14. Why? Because we untick this box. तो वो the time you upgrade or downgrade the priority, it will take that time only. So the reason is that why the retroactive has been added. Because without the retroactive, agents are taking benefit of SLA timings. If P1 SLA is going to breach, they make it as a P3. Then they will get ample time to do the troubleshooting. So to overcome this problem, retroactive start has been added so that we can keep a track that I want to be see my SLA when this incident actually started, not the time when you upgrade or downgrade the incident. Clear everybody? Doubt, question, clarification. Good.
So, sir, like,
Good, good.
like what I wanted to check. The best practice is if we are creating any SLA, so in that retroactive should active.
Should be active, but again, that's depend on your business. Logically, yes, it should be active.
Okay.
So that
And
you can keep.
yes, complete, sir. Please, sorry.
So that you can see that how your incidents are behaving, and if there is a gap, let why a agent raised this incident as a P1 now, why they did not understand that it can be potential P1 earlier only. So those things can be identified kind of things here and then work upon.
Okay. So, agent cannot like he can go and check the SLA about the SLA what criteria it has, but he cannot.
Yes.
He or she is not having the option to tick
No,
or
no,
check
no,
or
no,
uncheck.
no, no, no. That's done by the admin or have a specific SLA role. Only then,
Okay.
otherwise no.
Thank you, sir.
Check it. Anybody else? Okay. Now what is the next part? Or what we can start here today? Okay, थोड़ा सा interesting topic शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है, notification we'll do it later on. Now, if I say, guys, do you order the products online? Everybody say yes. Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon. Swiggy, Blinkit, Nykaa, Mimi, Baby Earth, Rabbit, multiple products, multiple B2B order it. But the prime way to order is like a mobile app, or you go to the website of that company or the website of that particular vendor and then you order it. In the service now, this website is called the service portal. Okay, this is called the service portal. Here are two things which I want to be discussed, and this is a full length topic now. So we are going to be cover service portal, and after this we'll pick up the service catalog and request management. My strong recommendation, this will be like a 4 days topic approximately. This will include catalog, categories, items, forms, variables, flow designers, multiple things this topic cover. I recommend don't take the leave or absent when we are discussing this topic, because more you attend the class, more easily you will be able to understand. Okay? But service portal is the base for the same. So we says like we have different websites. In the ServiceNow ecosystem, ServiceNow also provide us a interface and that is called portal. Now, mainly two type of portals given by ServiceNow. One is called service portal. And second is EC portal. EC stands for Employee Center. EC portal is the latest one, which ServiceNow recommending to their customers to be used now. And hopefully this is the last batch where I'm going to be discuss the service portal. From the next batch onwards, I have planned to be depreciate the service portal concept and will go for the EC portal only. Okay. The major thing is that both portals are built on the two different technology altogether. Service portal easy, quick, crisp. EC portal complicated, based on one fundamental that is called a taxonomy and rest of the things. I'll see that if I can bring little bit more flavor for the EC portal as well, that how the EC portal look like, because after the upgrade, I am facing a lot of issue in my EC portal. So let me do one thing. Let me come back here and clear it. Yes. And let me change the theme so that it should work. See? Okay, let me save this. To access the portal, so we open this thing like dev 347171 and everything. After that, .com/sp is for service portal /ESC employees service center to access the EC portal. I'll take you first the service center portal. /sp. This is the portal which is available for the users to order something, to request something, to raise an incident, to read the knowledge articles. So like if Vikram want to be order something from Amazon, he go to the Amazon website. What he can do? He can order something. If he is facing some issue, he can raise an incident from there and he can read the knowledge articles. He can provide the feedback as well, review as well. But he cannot update the status of anybody else incident, anybody else request. Okay. And to access the EC portal, there is a no role required. It means EC portal has been built up for the end users. The problem came as this, if you remember that I gave an example that when I started my career, I got a laptop. Sorry, I got a desktop. Now to access the desktop, I have a password. To access my email, I have one other password. To log into my Accenture portal, I have another password. To apply for the leave, I have to go to the portal and apply for the other password. So multiple portals for the multiple things. This is a problem statement of the users. To overcome this problem, because when you're using the service portal, you can do only IT related stuff here. Atul, what about the HR? If I am an employee and my company is doing service now, I want to be apply for the leave. Do I have to be go to the separate portal? Yes. Clear है यहाँ तक point सबको? So to overcome this problem, ServiceNow come up with a new portal that is called the EC portal. You can see here. There's a little problem in my part because it should show you something more options here, but it is not working. I tried updating it, repairing it, my plugins, but it is not working. Sometimes it happens that, and now I'm not in a situation where I can go and reset my PDI. Okay. So this is the EC portal. Let me try to change this one and see if I can do something here. EC and EC theme. Because I want to show you something that is called a taxonomies here. देखो इसी थीम किया तो बिल्कुल गायब हो गया ये. So nothing is coming, and this error is also coming. So nothing is coming here. So I'm not sure that why this is be giving the problem statement here. Okay, so to avoid everything, what I did, I'm just moving back into the same Coral theme so that at least we can see something here. Okay, the purpose of bringing the EC portal into the picture is that now this is a one single stop for everybody. Either you want to be used for the IT purpose, either you want to be used for the HR purpose, either you want to be used for the finance purpose, either you want to be used for the risk and compliance purpose. No need to be go to the multiple, what I can say, portals. Only one portal is good, that is called the EC portal. And I say that the fundamental of EC portal is a taxonomy. So for today's homework, everybody need to be bring, or everybody need to be write 5 differences between service portal and the EC portal. Okay, Gaurav, add this question in the homework today. Second, everybody need to be read about the taxonomies. What is the taxonomy in ServiceNow? In EC portal, I can say. Okay. Now, if you see this particular portal, you will see if ServiceNow is saying, why don't you go for this EC portal? We already have EC portal, so that's totally fine. Okay. Now, this is my service portal. In this portal, I can see like image, like menus like this. Knowledge, catalog, request, system, and all things will be there. This is the search, but it is not a global search. It is not a global search, but yes, you can search anything knowledge article. So if I say, okay, email configure, see. Tick. So in this part, knowledge, if you want to be looking for knowledge article, how to configure the email, how to set up the out of office, how to rework on the portal, how to take a leave of anything which is related with which has the knowledge articles will be shown here in the results. This is called the search widget. adding a new concept, widgets. Now I am a user. Let's say Pratik, I'm saying, yeah, Pratik joined a new company and his boss says, Pratik, go and raise a request for the laptop. So Pradeep will come here in the catalog and browse by category. And here he can see and he can order what he needed. He needed a laptop, he can search here. What type of laptop? Developer Mac, learner laptop, sales laptop, assistant laptop. This is a catalog item which you order it. Few concepts I'm giving you now, and few will be covered in the service request and catalog management. And these are the variables. Variables can be different for the different item. Example, if you order a cake, let's say you go to a restaurant and you order a dessert, and in the dessert you order ice cream. So what the waiter will ask, what ice cream you would like to be take? Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, 1 scoop, 2 scoop, in cone, in cup, in waffle. So multiple question he asked. Those are the variables. But is the same variable applicable for the soup as well? No, because soup तो कौन में आता ही नहीं है. So in the type of the soup, the question will be what type of soup you would like to be take. Veg, non-veg you want to be take, or you want to be take vegan, or you want to be take product this plant-based. How much time it will take? Sorry, how much quantity you need it? 1/2, 2/3. So these are the variables which are applicable for the soup. So for the each catalog item, variable can be different. And then you submit the order here. Pick. Now I want to see my request status. I can go and I can see my request status. Say that the incident and the request which is raised by me I'm saying as a user, that come under the my request. ठीक है, clear हुआ यहाँ तक? Then this is the EC portal homepage. These are the widgets. Request something, knowledge base, get help, current status, assessment, my approval. These are the small widgets. Widgets are something which is a combined code and give a functionality to the user to use it in a manner. So this widget is combination of CSS, HTML, JavaScript, multiple things will be there in the background. Clear हो गई बात यहाँ तक everybody? So we see, and this, if we click on this, these are the pages. In the portal, everything work like this. Slash, some name will be there to call that page. And then it will populate here. In the EC portal, it is a little different. In the EC portal, this is something different. Number one, I'm not getting this taxonomy. Let me do one thing, repair it. Plugins and taxonomy. I have these many taxonomies in this one. Unified experience taxonomy, unified developer core taxonomy. Let me update it. Might be that is the reason it's already updated. Group. Let me repair this so that it should work. If possible, it should work. Not sure that why it's not working properly once since I upgraded my system. Okay. So there will be one taxonomy will be added. Like IT taxonomy, HR taxonomy, GRC taxonomy. So multiple taxonomies are there which we can install. I'll install one or two more taxonomies so that if possible it's work fine. Then our issue will be sorted out. In the EC portal, under the taxonomy, everything will be there. So this EC portal has been built on the next experience theme, or I can say the technology. And in the EC portal, you can do everything. Means you can configure the HR, you can configure the GRC, you can configure the IT, anything you want to do, you can do. But either the EC portal, either the service portal is not visible to the outside users. Okay. So this plugin has been activated now. Let's see if my issue gets solved. So this has been built on the next experience and it is totally different. These are the widgets, even though these are the widgets as well, but it has a different widgets. So you can put videos, you can put the quick links like this, you can put the popular topic like this, you can put the back office, recommended articles, my applications, my favorite. These things will be different. My request, my service, everything you can do it here. Okay. So don't compare. Atul, I can see this thing in the EC portal, but not in the service portal because two different portals are these. Two different technologies are these to be used. So if I uh, okay, not today. We'll pick up. I'll pick up something on EC portal to show you that how it has been configured in the background. Okay. Now how to access this portal? Go here, search for the portals, and you can see service portal. This is the URL suffix which we access. See, if I put SP1, it will not work. Why? Because there is no SP1 exists for the URL suffix. But if I rename it LNG, and now if I refresh and put it as a LNG, it will work. It means to call the service portal, to use the service portal by a user, the suffix must be the same as the suffix has been configured in the background. Otherwise, I will not able to access, I will not able to open the EC portal or any portal. So this suffix is the first point of call to the portal. And then under this portal, everything has been defined, which we discuss tomorrow. And the same thing will applicable in this Employee Center portal. And it is a scoped application. And you can see there's a taxonomy. Under the taxonomy, we have multiple things. Okay. So our intention to be understand that how this portal has been built up, can I make a changes in this portal? Can I configure this portal? Can I create a new portal? This is what we are going to be discussed tomorrow. So this portal will be the base for the next topic, that is service catalog and the request management. Clear, everybody? Doubt, question or clarification? Go ahead, Vikram.
So in that, like, can we search the ticket numbers as well?
No, no. As I
Okay,
said, it's not a global search. In the if you want to do this ticket, you can go. Sorry, if I click on this, you can go here, go to request, and you can search here. But not from that wider or outer search. No, not from there. Yes. Who raised the hand earlier? Go ahead, Pratik.
Yeah,
Pratap,
is
sorry,
there.
Pratap.
So Atul, you said this is scope application, right? ESC portal and service portal.
Yes.
So that means it's customizable, right? It's customized. So now we can say,
नहीं
right?
no customize तो दोनों है. You can even customize this thing as well. When I say the scoped application means ServiceNow created this application as a separate container. And
Okay.
to access that application, we need a separate access kind of things. It's component separate.
Okay.
It is part of
So
ServiceNow only, but the way it has been built is little different.
okay. And then in this case, does UI Builder help here to build this application?
Not here. UI Builder mainly support you in the workspaces.
Okay.
In these are the workspaces where the UI Builder work.
Okay.
The technology for this EC portal is this thing only, what I can say. Next experience, but the workspaces has been used in the UI Builder has been used for the workspaces mainly, not for this one. For EC portal, the fundamental is one, that is your taxonomies. More you know about the taxonomy, more better it will be for you. क्योंकि सारा खेल taxonomy का है यहाँ पर.
Because I work in one of the application. When I was working HRSD, there was we configure for Germany onboarding portal in ESC. So there were multiple taxonomies. So there is category, subcategory, then under that
So
there's topics.
that's what I'm saying. So now, do you have the PDI?
Yeah.
Just go and open that PDI and /ECS at the last. Hopefully you're able to see the content which I'm not able to see, because this is what I'm facing a problem here. Earlier, the taxonomy will show you here. That's what I'm not able to see it.
Right.
See. So taxonomy will show, and if you click on the taxonomy, so what I will do now, I'll try to repair the taxonomy again if it worked for me, because I repair the EC portal, Employee Pro as well, everything I tried, but it's not working.
For me also, it's not working.
So what error is giving? Can you share your screen? Just share your screen and so that we can see. Yes, Vikram, sorry. No, put instead of no, you're using my PDI. Do you have your PDI? This is my instance, dev3471711. It's my instance. Do you have your PDI as well? Nahi, Vikram.
I'm opening my own PDF. I'm checking. Yeah.
Yes, that is what I'm looking for. Because 3471 is my PDI. It's again my PDI. Dev3471. This is what is your. So I tried a lot, but not sure why it's not working. And this is something tough to be, I can say, explore.
Yeah, I'm getting taxonomy in my PDI ESC portal.
Yes, let's see.
Yeah.
In the other window, just open /ECS as well. ESC, sorry. Because this will take you to the native view. Instead of after this, now remove and put ECS, Employee Service Center. Dekho. Put this cross. So now you can see everything. Technology services, right? This is what the taxonomy means. If you click on this technology services, just click on this arrow. Yeah. So these are topic and subtopics. This is what I'm facing the problem now that it is not showing in my PDI. Not sure that why it is a taxonomy issue, it is a plugin issue, or it is a theme issue. What issue is this? So I'm totally helpless here. So if I change this thing, what I can say, theme in my portal, I'm getting error. And I'm not getting any option to be what I can say, rebrand it or might be repurpose something like this. But the issue is the theme only. I have a EC theme. So if you can go to the native view and go to the portals, click on this native view, go in the click backend view. I am saying too slow. Click on this and search for the portals in the application navigator.
Sir, I gave you the control.
Okay, you gave me the control. Thank you. Or can you do one more thing for me? Just create my user ID in your PDI and give me the admin rights, because I can use your PDI for the integration purpose as well then. Okay. And I can show this EC portal from your PDI as well. That will be more easy because access this control is taking too much time and is slow as well. Okay, Vikram. Let me stop sharing it. Take its screen back now. So I'm trying to repair everything in my PDI, but not sure that why it is not working for me. EC theme, I tried, but not working, because if I go back here in the portals, and just open this EC portal, and so this is what is a theme I'm using, EC theme, and the same thing is used by you as well. but it's giving me error and error. So I don't want to be spend time on all these things now. I will see something better from your PDA and then we'll try it my side. Go Shriram, please.
सर आपके पोर्टल में जैसे टेक्नोलॉजिकल सर्विसेज का ऑप्शन नहीं दे रहा था, तो ये भी तो एक तरीके का फील्ड ही है, तो इसको हम लोग आपके पेज में
नहीं फील्ड नहीं है, ये फील्ड नहीं है. In the EC portal, these are the called taxonomies, and this has been linked with the theme. That's what I'm facing the problem as a theme. So if you notice, if I change the theme, if I show you something like that, if I use the EC theme, I'm getting error. If I refresh it, see, देखो ये errors आ रही है. But if I change the theme to the Coral theme, it is working fine. So the problem is that when I get this PDI, might be some plugins are not activated properly, and now I'm not able to fix it. So it said there's a script include CD company EV catcher from the scope employee center was denied. The application content publishing must be declared restricted call access. I have to make change of all these things. And I don't think that I can make a change because I'm not a developer where I can go and make it. Failing widget employee center head is failing. So there's some widget which is failing, might be. And the issue is this with the theme only. If I change the theme, it will work fine, but it will not display anything else. So this is also right. Employee center menu. This is correct. 100% correct. But due to theme, it's getting a problem for me.
I was thought like the technology services is like a field itself only.
No.
Okay.
No. So it is with the employee.
Yes, sir.
But it's not working. The issue is with theme. This is what I know now. Because as soon as I change the theme, it start working. So multiple things, JS and everything will be there. Catalogs and everything. My request, everything is there. So either only option is that I can go and reset my PDI and then I can try it, which I can't do because you already have your everything is there in this particular part. So we can skip or we can do it from the Vikram's instance as well. So I have to be fixed these issues. The script include this name, which has a scope denied from this one. So I tried a lot of things, repairing and everything, but it did not work out.
Sir, I gave you the user ID password on your WhatsApp.
Okay, I'll check it later on and we'll see that if I can fix something on this particular part. Okay.
Okay.
Chali, any other last question for the today's class? Go ahead, Naga. Naga, any question? Okay, good, no problem. Let me stop the recording and take a quick attendance now.